Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make stuffed peppers. But before we get to the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos. I do post weekly, so you don't want to miss out on any of those. And also, if you give me a thumbs up for this video and any others that you watch, I would really appreciate it. Well, let me tell you how we're going to do these peppers. You're going to take 6 peppers. You can do different colors. That's just whatever you choose to do. You're going to want to take the tops off the peppers. You're going to cut them off and take out any of the seeds that are on the inside of the pepper, and any of the stemming that's on the inside, you want to cut that out as well. Now you're just going to do it in a large pot like I have here, cover it with water, and you're going to cook them until they're soft. Now the cooking time will vary depending on how large your peppers are and how thick they are. You just want to watch them. When they get to a nice softness, you're going to take them out of the water and drain them, which I've already done. Now you're also going to do a pound of hamburger meat, and you're going to do 1 can, 15 ounces of tomato sauce. You're going to do about a cup of rice. I do use Uncle Ben's rice in this. You're going to have about a half a cup of chopped onion. That's optional. I like the onion in ours. And you're also going to have some garlic salt and just salt and pepper to taste. Now you're going to want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees at this point. And next up, we're going to go to the stove and we're going to go ahead and get this mixture ready for it. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get our hamburger meat browned up. And I went ahead and put it in the pan, and we're going to put our onion in. And basically, you just want to chop it up so it gets kind of fine textured, because you don't want big lumps in your mixture. And then we're going to season it with our salt and pepper and our garlic salt. And then we're going to add in our tomato sauce and then our rice. All right, let's go ahead and add in our seasonings. This is a delicious meal if y'all like stuffed peppers. It's very simple to put together. Not a lot of ingredients, not a lot of seasonings. Now you can experiment with seasonings if you like different types. You can certainly do that. And all this is just to taste. Now we do like a lot of garlic, so I'm going to put quite a bit of garlic salt in ours. There again, if you don't like as much, don't put as much in it. And then we're just going to make sure we get this good and brown. Just keep stirring. And I got some paper towels over here in case I have a little bit of excess grease. I'm just going to blot it out, but I don't know that I will need to. Depending on how lean your hamburger meat is, will be dependent on whether you need to, either drain it or, just blot some of the excess grease. You do need a little bit in this recipe. You don't want it to be completely without a little bit, because it'll flavor this dish. All right. Turn my heat up just a tad. And then we're going to add, like I said, we're going to add in our tomato sauce and our rice. And then we're going to put the lid on, and we're just going to let it simmer with the lid on for about 10 minutes on a low heat. Just enough to get the rice started cooking, because we're going to put this in the oven. So it's going to continue to cook everything, and then it'll get that pepper taste once we get it in the peppers. All right. This is about brown. And I really don't think I'm going to need to drain my meat. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the tomato sauce and then our rice. And like I said, we're going to turn down our heat. And we're going to let it cook on here for about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get the rice in. Give it a stir. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this. We're going to turn down our heat, and we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we'll show you the next step. Okay, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get our peppers stuffed. We've got our hamburger mixture all done. Now you're going to just take a pepper, take a spoon, And you're going to want to put it inside the pepper. Now I do pack it down inside it pretty good because I'm going to have a lot of meat here. And if you do have any leftover meat after your peppers are stuffed, you can just put it in the bottom of your pan. So my husband does like that, so I will cook that with this peppers. Like I said, feeling pretty full. And then I'm gonna do another one for you. And they're all different sizes because you know there's some different colors. Just stuff it down inside. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up stuffing the peppers. And once I get them stuffed, if I have any left over, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. And I'm gonna make sure I cover my pan, and you're gonna bake these for about 45 to 50 minutes. And then once they come out, we'll show you how they look. All right, y'all, as you can see, we've got our peppers out of the oven and they are smelling wonderful. And this is what we're gonna have for our dinner this evening, and we're gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese. And I hope that y'all will enjoy this recipe and try it, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. And also give me a thumbs up on this. Y'all have a great evening, and thank you so much for watching.